Touch the latin secretary to end guidance la people like us show and the ring reading the Jewalang Sabache, Tak Yu, Sabache, Tuk, the ring reading Tinala, Lota Tuk Dang Tul Nira, Kanagi Lota Tuk Dang Tulni, Banagin do the Kanagi to rail and share, and Kanagi to December monthly reading detailed Kana reading Chigi, detailed reading you did this ringbutura. 링부차 도도 년도 어디 링잉잉잉잉 염도 샤샤이 아니 툭툴치 아니 케라게 치도 라 디셈버 month 바치 아니 케라게 타임 스탬 딩에 description 알 샤유 아니 케라게 년동디 바츠 믹세게 더 통모나라라 통모나라 도당 아니 남미 빈치나라 뭐 시원나라 바츠 년동디 셰르치르 체라 쉐라 Touch the lay to the so ni kena gichi dura December monthly reading in reading this ring to chat to drati in the lulechini yendung the mutine lulechini see la shera ani kena gichi tambo current energy tungira current energy the upcoming energy tungira kena gichi do current energy je ani okay tong de current energy je ni de upcoming energy ra okay and this can I get the health candidato relationship candidato okay health kala health this heavy to tongo energy low to this heavy to okay nyingchi moto ine nyingchi moto health change this in relationship ra okay beautiful relationship ya thingi to the relationship change this in career ra okay that is can I see the career okay career let this check okay nice career yakudu ani tichini can I see do can I see the animal spirit ke guidance karti dura December month ki do guidance beautiful guidance animal spirit rabbit spirit okay loda drew loda solar rabbit spirit lead to the rabbit king yam the special connection to the special teaching you said lizard spirit lizard tongi duera ye yundiwala lizard spirit lead okay the blessings thing ngani sanga so cheni tyongora ani 당보 카르둘나 키라기 current energy ni ma kozugira 키라기 current energy ra current energy pe positive to kachi dulana planning chidish planning ra travel to che trip to lengol tende easy ra ye tangsho gara di ka thonga da travel to thong les ra ine kirangi December month la ne di current energy du tanda ne kirangi planning to che traveling to che the trip land to the planning green future planning ra karim by ni planning che ra the future planning relationship chola planning ra yama kirangi health chola ra planning yama kirangi health is heavy thong with health ki du khashi chi health ki energy lead health ki ti me do planning chi me do sam rada minjurim bacha saja tende chi la to yak pudu la do ra khashi chingi chi do tende energy ngir okay ni kanta da sawa chikra ta career chola in sire ra planning chi do ke planning kirangi current energy planning hala tingi da upcoming energy kare lidula na emotional stability lidura emotional rasim la da tis chik shide tis tuk tis chik sakat siki do shukchim bachagyo ai na kirangi chi do upcoming energy la kare dula na emotional tis chik lele sem la shide le tu ya ra mo di shukchim butingi do ni baby ra you are planning right now and upcoming energy is like if you are trying to conceive then the energy of conceiving is coming for you okay and emotional stability as well upcoming energy is very beautiful very caring caring nature sewachia simba pe shidi kang la shaya ta chirtang ne des khoryuk tara anzo khoryuking anzo la pe influence ti do ai ne kerang energy kan te thong do khoryuk this sanga singi de yo ai ne kerang kira pe sim shide lulu chinera ani denang chik kang la sha tu ya ra nawa maying ya sim ma tu ya denang chik kang la yak po chini sha tu ya o tinde ye energy kira sala suyung gi do okay concentration power laira concentrate chikla che tu ya o ne do thong do ra ani kerang gi namgyun yang kalawre pugudang tende la sheta tuzu tang to mindu samya tende chungi yoayna yang kira gite stige la tuzu tang to ya tende ge energy lidura energy kang pe ning chimudo ke upcoming energy di man di chiduri duda sim la pe shidili to ge energy rish okay oh ya want energy lidu ani health kan la thora so health kan la tu du kari tulana health kan la to do kanangi this chig energy this chig low drained heavy to ra sobo changma this chigo so do feel chia chig jana weight gain den de insir kaji chig the overweight this chig overweight chaya den de ge kinanzo di danda chungu do era den de yana December ge starting month wala this chig den de heavy to feel chia to me some be laziness feel chia nyop to chaya sobo this chig overweight to chaya this support na dia to dang on den this chick energy on den to lead ra danda ligi gire chick chena upcoming into kena upcoming sa December gi monthly reading into December gi starting the all on the feel chase this heaviness ra this goji go so do cha dia to da ra so and feel chase gire sam gi dura yana kashi chi chi similar pe sympathies pusu to podo chaya heavy to feel chia similar emotional this heavy to feel chia tension shuk chimbo liya den de insigi starting gi diwal antiru yana kinala danda chungte yoana on den insigi ra ine December gi na chirdang ne ani kimani mid December ne ending badula khanti to the lankina gira pay positive ani heaviness sama khali galera lulu cha to era suku energy den so normal cha era pe normal lulu yora da pe yakpu cha e tungidu the relief the kani khari to heaviness similar heaviness li do supunal heavy khari to chi ligyo ane on the sangmani ma tyon to gera din de kran la karti kandi tungi to lana kina tende this chick heaviness to the khari gar feel chi gyo this supula ine symbol ine this chick ra lots of thoughts ra lots of heaviness emotionally very kalore overflowing your emotion ra on the to tang yana whatever you are going through. If you are feeling heavy, then the curry feel you're going to come out from that and you're going to feel better and light and you're going to be delighted. You're going to feel very proud, very happy. And then the yakpo feel okay, same time in the hangsang yakpo feel so that diksha pay yakpo chas supo in the pay yang chas simple and the pay chas lele chas chigura. Energy on the lead December gira mid December ne ani end December but the pay positive thing gira starting like this chick heavy yana kaji chick chidu mental pay sim day tende mind la pay attention thoughts mangpuli tende ingire ani an kaji chick chidu super physical ra on the heavy thing the starting of the December in the mid December ne ending but the pay positive ra pay yakpocha ya on the thing do ani di chine kina chidu relationship kang la lead starting a new relationship ra the new relationship is starting the mangwachi la lead the kiransola energy on the lead relationship the single in the chidu the best ra relationship pay positive on the relationship tip marta kinangi soulmate nyamdora relationship ra starting new beginning ra kiranzora single in the chidu kare message to lana kiranzola relationship sawachi kosudo on the country to lana kirangi soulmate nyamdo together you are meeting with your soulmate okay if you are single you are starting something new in a relationship new relationship is going to start in December and that relationship is going to be very positive for you because this relationship is soulmate energy connections are going to be very strong okay with this person on the thing relationship sawa kochuya ani kenan already relationship na la yungi de zo ichido deeper level na la tue tang ani khashi chi chido changsa ge de tungyora okay kenan zo ra the changsa ge ge da ra kenan zo da love the commitment da de love relationship na ding de zo la changsa ge deeper level la tue ra kenan zo already changsa ge cha sam ge de zo ni yang pa zo understanding mutual respect sewa shuk chimbo pa zo tuen to ya chi ya samshi shuk chimbo li to ya shide gang la du zo ki to ya ra pay positive lead. If you are already in a relationship, your relationship is going to go in a next step, next level, mutual understanding, deeper level of understanding and love towards each other. Okay, this kind of relationship looks very, very positive for the December month. Okay, even if you are single or if you are in a relationship, both looks very positive. Hangsang yakpo tonggidura relationship. on the tongidu. And the cheni karili lana career chola kana gira starting of the December la netiri tanda current la netiri kana yang loptuk tinzo gi chedo ina di study kan la shana tira kana zo tension shuk chimbu tongudo okay kana zo gi physical health mental health kan la tension tongudura odi to kana gi career gi di la tension tongudo yang ra career chola this chig mati wa tension and to chi tongudo simde to shuk chimbu ki overthinking over the lots of thinking ra some tensions are there in your career. This can be in your study or your workplace or business place. Taking lots of thoughts, negative thoughts, tensions, okay? In the starting of the December, or this might be you're going through right now. Okay, on the little energy don't do this thing negative shuk chimbo tungidura this same day do the pay attention shuk chimbo kyo then tungidu chikchena career chola yakpo tomato ta lupto yimba lupchong tola same day shuk chimbo kheni ani physically ne ta jo semba kyu mena supo kale kale chi utso du chale to nangla ani anti lido yana di physical yana mentally ra mental things kyu me kyu chen di career gi cheni sire lupto yimba lupchong gi cheni sire and do doing it to counter this heaviness tension business chola and it is this chick tension on then yana de kinangi current tanda to the gire yana de December gi starting the wala then de feel is okay on then the feeling then the shuk chimboli sire ra ta yapu do mundu ta yapu chang mundu sameto da tension then de lia ta inera December mid December ni kharili dulana kinana kalaure the tension sang mani ma doing to transformation ra relief chaya ra after in mid-December, starting from the mid-December, you are going to feel light, very positive transformation. You are going to see the change, positive change, okay? Yeah, and you are going to relieve from these kind of tensions, problems, issues, okay? You are going to see the better future after the mid of December. Be positive, tigidu mid of December ni makirange end patulara pe kalaure sopso toya ani kari kali kyani di tibuya tuya ani kyanangi chidu yana tikangi dini ma tuyni lamga sawani ya tende kashi chi chidura di tanda career gi problem chikangi chidu dini ma tuyni lamga sawani ya tende insiri yang kashi chi chidu dirang problem dirang solve chani digala yakpu chayara change ra transformation change on the shuk chimbura ta digi chidu ya kuncho gi dok shuk chimbo lam dok shuk chimbo tungi yorta dilara soso ide ba ichi ta kuncho la ichi kashi universe la ra universe ki power energy tende la ichi yana soso yu konjo la ichi ra su la ichi yone ta o dege gi ra full protection tungi yorta kirang chi dura you are protected by the God, right? Whoever you're believing ra o dende do ani kashi chi chidura spiritual path kana tuya current ki problem de sang malima doing spiritual path kana do de yang ki shigur the awareness kana do ra kom nyamlin chia o de shuk chim botung yo ra de kar ki de kiran zu khaji chigla spiritual path shuk chim boli gi khaji na di tension shuk chim bu chita dim ni ma thwe on de li sigri kantar khaji ta lamga sawa chinye ki shigur ra lamga sawa de kiran ki kar chigi do on de kiran la tura ra so kar chigi yana business sawa chigi be yana job lega sawa chigi be yana lop tu be na the joint tension 상만이 맞대인 돼 룰리 차트에 된데 둥겨라 realize 사와징이야라 온데 둥겨라 오케이 아니 가시나 양디 정말 유니다 spiritual path 강라도 셔라 된데 둥겨리 오케이 아니 디지니 키나기 치도 rabbit spirit leader now is a lucky time okay 키나기 치도 that December month chirtang ne pe lucky bike cha tungi do da lucky time kajina starting at the chik ra kinanzo heavy to feel chigi ne ra mid of the December ne pe positive cha do da kinanzo ra ani December gi chitani kinanzo relationship the best relationship la tungi dra dini career dang tingi la starting la ti chik tara ande do ine kale di mewa cha do pe aku che do di ene undi di kira gi che do guidance koran karli do kanyi do dan chik karli wa ine simdi majis now is a lucky time kina gi che do lucky time re kari chawa ine dubgiri le yura ani simdi chaw mare le di yor takadra ani ngewa de laser tungu da dream the world into being ra kina gi tuba khari yo wa nangshin di ra follow che dub thugu re le di dura de whatever you're dreaming, try to take action on that dream. This is your kalore animal spirits guidance. Okay, this is your guidance for the December, and now is a lucky time, is your another guidance from the rabbit spirit. Okay, so you have to feel like, okay, some small issues are there there in the starting of the December, but you have to feel like, okay, this is my lucky time, so this shall pass as well. Okay, on the to that yeah to share risk nga kajila na nga chi lucky time re. Okay, so lucky feel chia ra on the shuk chimbu tingi de kina chi ta di ni kina chi ta khari la wode chi ta ni December is starting this chikani to this yo chung ai ne ra tu su pe kupu to tingi to starting the pe tu su kupu to share do ni mid December ni ma sop so to sama pe positive yak pu to relationship ta chi tan semde ko mi dura career da ni health ka na du ra mid December ni man pe yak po cha to sup so to o ne tu do ke kina chi do energy on the li do ndi chi ne kina chi ta blessings ira so la health kana blessings ta ni relationship kana blessings and gare gare kon jogi nangi do ra kina chi do. Okay, yeah, blessings yang de tagar rang kena chi do ra tirang ge energy li do da kina feeling pep light happiness proud excitement ra 항상 기우 중에 그냥 simple 기우 중에 super 대당 중에 어디 blessings yang 다가랑 그냥 기치도 동다 다가랑 blessings yang 디랑 리기도 다 double confirmation card 차요 뒤도 그냥 디다 중에 자자 캐리래 저 어디 차요 그냥 기치도 blessings yang 디랑 리다 항상 해라라 아니 디치니 relationship 강라라 오케이 relationship 라라 직다 그냥 그라 self love 쭉 침부 쳐야 되네 둥기더라 self love so la pera queen do feel che me kila buin buin ne da so pe cute so de kala da pe positive la pe positive hang sang positive feel che o the blessings lead kila ngi chidra kila so pugu to dan te de ba chigyo ana di energy lead do conceive che energy lead do and again ra relationship na la pugu chungya te de ye kila so la relationship ta kila so chance kya sa pugu to ba chingye te de chigyo ra te ge la ya pugu chungya ge ka te tingyo ra blessings tingyo re pugu on de pe positively ra on de tingyo re kila so chido okay and blessings career chola kare lead. Okay, career chola kenan chola positive result kenan so chi chola good yu chi ora kare chola good yu ne odi chola positive result kenan so da kali gane leka chi process che de chi ora odi chola kenan la positive result lead on the as a blessings. Okay, you are going to see a positive result whatever you are working right now as a blessings in a December. Okay, and if you are trying to conceive, you are going to see the positive result in the December month as a blessings. Okay, and you're going to feel very happy, light, positive, and very energetic as well. Okay, can I achieve that this energy load or the immunity load or the day starting the all this and feel chigyo in a mid December my energetic, very energetic, ra super energy, your mind be positive, ra won't they feel chido. Yapuda. Okay, blessings be positive ning chimo yapuli song la ni share and teaching. Okay, that the day rish kena gichi reading tagam sre shara ani kena la ko message tige pe ning chimo chini rai be wa you ani kena la thank you so much for like and subscribing ani ngirde che yong Tachitali dulo the Sony Kena Gichidra, December monthly reading ra, December Candido Chitu, Kena Gichidon, the detailed reading era, Tindin Kena getting into this ring, you see Re, Kena getting into the Lulech, and Mutini see La Shera. Ani Kenagi Tambo current energy, ra, Kenagi Tambo current energy, Makotsugi, current energy, okay, current energy. Any upcoming energy, ra your current energy and upcoming energy. Ani kenagi chido kare liri dijeni health. Okay, positive health. Okay, again very positive in health. And then kenagi chido kare liri relationship. Okay, little steady, slowly ras. Gali together. Okay, peace. And this can connect to the career. Okay. Can I get to the career change? Animal spirit ki guidance karti idura. Sometimes life stings. So cute. 오늘이다. Okay. 샷살라데. Skunk spirit leader, know your worth, okay. Beautiful energy. Paying Chimo Killis, the Tambo Kinagi current energy, Rakinagi current energy, Mako Tsugi, and Shera Kinagi reading, and Tambo Kinagi current energy, like Kinanzo Chikra discussion to Shukchambo, they were talking to the discussion, Curricula, and discuss, you are discussing something, you are discussing, discuss Chigua, Ani Kirangira, consult, or you are taking some consultant, then they consult lingua, consult lingua, then they see the Kirangi discuss energy, Yana Kirangi skill, skill. Kirangi yargetangi yoa business yargetangi yoa the meeting business meetings to the discussion to the chikra problem chikang la yan solution to ya tendi kang la ingire yana changsa tendi kang la ingire solution tendi to ya tendi ingire ra yana business tendi kang la discussion ra kang the discuss ke energy shuk chimbu tengi to your current energy is like ra you're discussing with someone very special specialist ra professional in series specialist telling them the discussing you're discussing something with specialist on that field. This can be about your business, this can be about your relationship, this can be about anything, okay. Yana can also discuss studies ki kola discuss chera look to him by now then ingira current energy they discuss chigyo to dingura can also okay ni can also upcoming energy dra Kirangira, you're going to see the magical things, Kirangi. You're going to see the magics. Real magic, then they in see the Kirangi. Then they touch Chunguro Marisam so you chung so some won't in the magic too. So you expect much than they so la junior yakpo and the positive and you're not expecting anything but you're receiving so many good things and you're like wow. Then they own the feeling. Think on this chung relay that is a magic relay me on the okay, very positive energy can answer in chola young do young traveling today in Syria. Yana can answer trip tendera queue and such a queue and they'll trade in the in Syria. The childlike energy, be queue now I keep going young tendega energy to can chola to the young okay. And emotionally chickta mixing relationship tending la to the queue kiera on the day in gear. New 예매 운영다 시드 데다릭스 나빠진 대쇼 파니에 마데치 국동 나남시 당월이라 시미드 좀 밀라 자르고다 okay the end video in this time to shastra is the past okay they mem de yeah de la tu mare de or she was you da mk da ge was you da ani call esta okay current energy sastra dijine da kinange health kana December ge health kana li ra kinange health be positive thongu do ge kuch problem to thongu mi do kinange kari decision health chola kari decision le wa ne on de be successful chagi do okay kinange ta chik decision lengo nga tiche go nga health kana de chik chiki ni lai chi yora so health ya puch hai chi do da health kana de chik chiki kari do chik decision kinange yo ai ne ra only gala kirangi kalore pe yakpu chaye December gira starting de wala December ge starting de wala kirangi decision tende rati chi lan decision and lane action liara you are taking action towards your health to make it better and around the mid you're going to take action around the mid December you're going to see the positive result in your health and you're going to feel very light, happy, energetic, very positive, okay? You're going to feel very happy, emotionally, physically, mentally, okay? Kirangi courage starting the all action lingiwa and kirangi courage all health kira mental peace emotional courage all action lewa ne o digala positive result hoya ne kiran pe ki uchunya kaya pe light feel che energetic supu ina pe energetic ra that is super motivated to feel chionda mid December ni makina be energetic chagdura da digi chidu kirangi yang chik action yak pochi lingi do di kana la positive result thong do ken di kana be kyu chunya be healthy active energetic ra happiness be kyu simba ene kyu health be positive thing do di card thagaran dingwe le lesa duglo dale dagara di card lesa da kina le dina le di card digi kana be energetic thong duran mid December ni ma Tijene kenangi relationship cholara your relationship ani kenangi dichi dili du kare kenangi relationship chola yana kenangi chola michik tendera so get life partner to kenala chik the single inge de zoichi do message kare dulana kenala relationship la this chikrangla approach to proposal tende da kina chola chu ta ke ja shinge te wa swinge tende use release sigire December na starting de okay ne kina ge energy continue dulana yana kina ge pa proposal tende kidre yin sigire ta ine kina ge man energy mid December ne ma continue dulan kina kang tup kira semba kyu thia so me time self time la so nyam de dusu kia so chipu de she so ending yara yana meditation chia yana dep ende loya ni yong tende ta khare ta so nyam de pe dusu kia ra ani kang tup so semba pe kyu she shidi kang la de on di shuk chipu dungi du kina zo energy okay mixing relationship relationship chola shukchimbo shida tumas okay so nyamdo dusu manga ke de do shitung so nyamdo dusu ke ra solo travel che de yin si re ra travel chewa ine yang so nangla dewa ine de to loya ge to changya ya chikra and to da so nyamdo dusu ke de ra you are spending lots of time with yourself and even if you are going in a relationship you are taking action very slowly and steadily okay then you do and you are spending lots of time with yourself with your mental thoughts with your peace with a peaceful environment space so kang tup saja kyu shidios and you are listening music spending time with yourself then do kalawre then do shitungi da kotsung skandido in okay tata yang digala ya blessings karili to tayara tata digala kadidula mangche self timing so ngem de can relationship chola ine du so tang wa ine kale gozo wa ine kale gozo ya lulu to ya mashtara kira rush chigi dura tukpu try to you are not rushing in a relationship you are taking step by step very slowly I want them to do kale step lane to you slowly to your much best speed kind of try check utsuke on the tungi mi do okay energy into tungi mi do relationship chola can sop energy lulu shidi peace I want them to do relationship chola ani di career ta career kiri apo ko me go to me do mic this time which has the me the sound there anti cheni karili dulana kina gi career kanla okay career kan la kira ge chikena tinde insar kira gira hal shimbal ropache healthcare tindera tinde insire shimbal ropache shukchim butungi do kina zo healthcare la leka chingi insire mai and imba ne pe positively to mai ba ne kina gira being helpful kina shimbal ropache ra on de shukchim career chola kina shimbal ropache shukchim buche yana business tinde insira business and chia on de career shukchim butungi do kina gi chedura kina zo tinde insira ani starting the like pe busy chagyo life la pe busy leka pe mangbura student imba ene lopchong changya shukya pe busy life pe busy chagdurani kinanzo lega chinge ba ni su imba ene the starting ge energy kandiduna December ge starting ge energy pe kinanzo busy chagyora starting energy of the December you're looking very busy working very hard helping others you might be working in a healthcare city or you're doing some business whatever you're doing even if you are studying you're working very hard and very busy you're looking very active okay in the starting of the December month and the chenikinagi mid December nima kanditungi durana energy this lulu to tingi durani tis chikalaure intuitive shukchimbo to tingi dura this sudugari du suyagari du lam salam so hago to da mi shita mi intention kariki du kina cholara you are becoming very intuitive emotional after the mid of December okay you are going to catch the person's intention behind the person ra the kinang intention karidu le lam sim to ya to don't they do negativity things lam sim to ya you are going to catch very easily the which one is the negative and which one is the positive one for you they do energy to gidra kinang lam sim to ya energy the base sim to ya they do intuitive shuk chimbo to gidu kinang okay and kinang la mid December la kashi chido ya choice then the lisi de kinang sura choice che den ra lam ga ni to dang ta relationship shanti mar di career chola kinang la choice den the lisi re din du kinang gi choose che ra ine on the choose chi du kinang la intuition power pe pore din du de kinang la dia li du ra lots of opportunities den ra gyo den de tung du din du kinang la choose che starting of the December kinans udar work mixe lega machinge housewife the day by the kinans starting la pay busy to tungidura like pay busy ani mid December ne kinans lulu chagi yo atinde tungidura ani kinans la yang kokap sawa and li shuk chimboli yo tungidu ani di kapsu ani kina gira kadi structure la na kokap sawa mangbo and li sira you are receiving lots of opportunities so you have to choose and you are going to feel little confused in between the mid December you can say like that okay and if you feel like that then you have to listen your gut feeling or intuition power because your intuition power is going to increasing la what did you do the din du can get mid December ni man chik chena kinan zo yang meditation din ra ding la da tuklo ta yang this is spiritual path la shuk chimbo to din tu do kinan zo this is lulu cha do kha chi meditation do chia ra this is spiritual path nya ra shel den de korea kari ne ritual den de chia ra ni matak bar gi ritual den de ron de che in siri tara kha jin na kinan zo relationship chola ne lulu mid December ni makinan zo relationship chola ne lulu do chagidura ani kinan zo career chola ne lulu do chagido okay lulu do chadun sosungem do zuma poki sosungem do zuma poki din so ritual chego edendira shokpe git nya chi do ti la nga tende chigi chui tende chi shenen tende kyorgi on tende do chiyora da so on de meditation tende chi la do ani on tende do ritual do chili yusara kinana okay when they do me time lulu so ngam do ge on de ti and confusion ti si tu gidra ni ti kanang confusion cha do so nang lo la rang ra to so tang wai na so girang ra answer ra to ya on de tu gidra kinan so ichi ani kinan so energy sometimes life sting like the wolf spirit like the leader ta ti kare tu gidula na sometimes life stings okay life let some madiwa and duga and yungiri ra chuji de chik madiwa to da lamdo magi to da chuji de chik parche to chik obstacle to yung thi race ra ta dile shi serious lengua yo mare like the guidance ligi or ta yung thi ri chuji de ra kirang handle che to race ra mo de ki shi ra chi da ni kirang da dile this confusion de this chili da ta mo de chi durang ingir guidance ra sheba mixe ge problem de tungi mi dukirang ra help ni yak tajudu skunk spirit no your worth okay kena so value kari baha go che so la mama bib che ma de so la ya kyak so la ra ngai chungi yus ngai che tu gi yus ngai ne chi ni so la ra pe nga gel ke shi la gyo ma ngarang chang ma re la de la gyo ma ra ine ngai che tu gi yus ra I can try because ngai che tu gi yus ra on de so la ti chi sim shuk par ya ra so la ti chi positive mind la ti chi positive ke shi so gem do ra kadini nge chungi mari nge yung mari nge dig mari chik duga anti kyang look ma de this positive side look ya me so mind la ye yung gi res chungi res ngai chi tu res ngai chungi yus ngai sem pasang bu yus ngai mi chi yung yi la chi da so kari look ne tir da on la ra on de ti chik so nyam know your worth and kana la ti chik kana ha go che la chi me so your worth ha go je on de li da guidance ra andi jen kana chi da blessings health kana blessings okay the relationship kana da mix ge ting mi da blessings na la yang chi ha go ya marta ani ti chini da career chola ra okay da kira blessings na la karili idula na kina la health chola da kina gi positive rang to di blessings la kina gi health yapu sugyo rang tungi dura pe yapu chagyo sugyo means da kina blessings indu kina health kana yapu chagyo same line that the teach can loneliness to feel chigyo and can the December month like can that loneliness is so ning you want to miss to chigyo and I want to get yamdora to sukia tendegi blessings okay tended to get rat and the currently can want to get to good you are not taking them to toge blessings and can get relationship chola mixegi karitungidulana relationship chola blessings karidulana ra can be 수검식 전부 차기 들어다 디 인도니 캐라기 relationship cholali you do ni kera da this lungsub to the mati water the overthinking negative thoughts and kari shagyo and all the sangma raking on the sangma le doing to get be positive be sim shide you're feeling very positive very calm peaceful and patience towards your relationship in the December month as a blessings okay. And if you're waiting for someone, you're going to meet them, and after that you're going to feel very good, emotionally very happy as a blessings for your health and as a blessings for your relationship and as a blessings for your career. Garali dulana kerangi career chola travel shukchimbutungido okay. Di kenangi chedo blessings resha kenangi travel chia overseas travel chia takrimbu and travel chia di kenangi chedo shukchimbutungido travel card tungido. 그러니 땅닝요 파마 빈체 엔딩함도 레 타그링부 트에기 된데 뚱기도라 디케나기 치도 blessings 레다라 travel 시에 된데 뚱기도 야나 케나기 다 blessings 테케나기 다라 소소 커리어 야포스에 치도라 아니 타링부 엔데 레가 제가 돼 된데 이시리 디케나기 치도 blessings 레 아니 예슈와 나신 카체징니 spiritual path kana tugur di 케나기 detachment feel 치야라 디 케나기 치도 blessings 레 카체지기 치도레 다양 케나조 spiritual path 엔데 라트에 엔데 시칭 엔데 조 케나조 슈크침보 spiritual pay 슈크침보 feel 치 투에지 메소소 오다 spirituality is high 차싱아랑아 feel 치 투 동마 도 민두 라치 energy 된 소볼로 만타와 라삼로 만타와 리두 라든 소라 나온데 한 케나조 양 career chola imbaina kenang yang career yak puso chine travel share the blessings travel shukchimbu chiara overseas tendera overseas city ching shimba and travel give blessings lead do la shwe kenang che do okay ani blessings on the che da kenang che do reading down blessings dan sangma rai pere wa yela shwe and kenang ngin dung de sipa ka chung ani thank you so much for like and subscribing ani ngur du chi yong